About a month ago, I posted a video, Lexus owners, beware, don't jumpstart your car like this. And really what it is incorrect jumpstarting your car could cost you an ECU and it could cost you a lot of money fixing your car. Lexus and Toyota has updated their document. In the document, it clearly shows now where you should not be putting your negative clamp. Let's get to it. Hey, it's LSF here today, and today we're here to revisit a video that I produced about a month ago. And that one is talking about where you should not be clamping your negative clamp when you're trying to boost their vehicle. The reason why is you can actually burn your ECU motherboard, and that is a very expensive repair. And you can easily clamp it in the right place, and things will be fine. Especially these situations are always not the best time it happens, right? When you want to go out and your car doesn't start, or you're out and your car doesn't start, you cannot get home. And this involves a lot of vehicles here. You can see RX, ES, NX, TX, and all the different variations, even from 2019 all the way to 2024. I believe 2025 vehicles are the same. So in that document back then, it was showing here where you should not be clamping or where and it doesn't indicate anything. But they do say that look at your manual, and typically it's very far away from the positive. So what do? They probably figured this out because this document that they updated was a few days before I released my video. Definitely it's not my video causing them to make a change. Probably technicians were looking at this and say, where should I not be clamping? So now here's a new document. They now explain exactly where you should not be jump starting. Perfect, right? So if you do have the NX350, the gas only versions, ES gas only, TX gas only, all that, you can take a reference here. Do not jumpstart here and where the ECU bracket is, and don't jumpstart here where there's two screws. And then if you have hybrids, plug-in hybrids and all that, or mild hybrids, do not clamp here, do not clamp here, and do not clamp here. That's where the ECU bracket is, and there's another bracket here. Okay, so that's really all this video is all about, but I do have, I've taken a quick picture of my NX450H Plus so that you can get a better reference if you do own an NX hybrid or a plug-in hybrid. I think it's the same place. Let's get to that piece. All right, so right now, this is my NX450H Plus, and this is where the ECU is. And you can see that based on that document, they first explicitly say do not clamp here, do not clamp here, and do not clamp here. Because this is so low, unlikely you will be clamping your negative here. The highest possibility would be here, and you should not be doing that. That's what they're saying. Do not clamp your negative here and here and here. Because the positive is actually in this relay fuse box right here, and the convenient ones are here. So do not do that. Again, I think the struts up there are probably the better ones. There's one up here, and there's another one further closer. I think those two are probably the better ones to do. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.